In today's video update, we will be discussing the UK's healthcare policy and its effects on the immigration status. UK's free National Health Service treatment. UK government has made it a top priority to deny NHS services to illegal immigrants. It seems quite harsh, but the reasoning behind it is restricted capacity and resources. According to NHS rules, there are three types of payment for treatment. 1. Those who have gone through immigration control and paid the additional charges for NHS during their visa process will receive free medical treatment, just as ordinary residents as long as their visa is valid. 2. Those who come under the ordinary resident category are eligible to receive free NHS treatment in the UK. 3. Others including visitors and illegal migrants have to pay for most of their medical treatment.
The UK
points-based
immigration system.
Ending free movement.
But change is coming. Change is coming.
Accident and emergency and general practitioner. Medical care in A&E departments and at GP surgeries remains free for all irrespective of nationality. Immigration status and ordinary residents are not important for registration, as it should not be refused on those grounds. Extra payment for NHS. People applying to enter and stay in the UK for more than 6 months must pay the immigration health surcharge, except Irish nationals. Applicants won't be regarded as residents until an indefinite leave to remain is granted. Paying the immigration health surcharge qualifies the applicant for NHS healthcare, just like someone who is an ordinary resident in the UK. They are qualified for free NHS services and treatments for as long as their visa remains valid, excluding the services that require an ordinary resident to pay as well, like prescriptions in England, dentistry, and assisted conception services. Who is an ordinary resident? In England, people who are ordinarily residents qualify for free NHS hospital treatment. The status of ordinarily residents does not depend on a person's payment of UK taxes, nationality, being registered with a general physician, having an NHS number, owning property in the UK, or national insurance contributions. LBC ex parte Shah United Kingdom House of Lords 1982. Ordinarily resident refers to an individual's home in a specific place or country which they have embraced by their own choice and for settled purposes, as part of the regular order of their life for the time being, whether of short or long duration. By referring to the previously mentioned statements, in the UK the term ordinary resident can be a complex matter to decide. Chargeable medical treatment. Since the NHS is based on a residency system, according to NHS rules, those who are not ordinarily residents in the UK, inclusive of former UK residents and UK nationals, are considered as overseas visitors and would be billed for NHS services, calculated at 150% of the national NHS rate. The authority to charge comes from Section 175 of the National Health Service Act 2006, and the rules are present in the National Health Service Charges to Overseas Visitors Regulations 2015. Since October 2017, NHS trusts have been charging beforehand for treatments that are not urgent, to make sure that urgent or immediately necessary treatment is provided, whether or not the individual is able or willing to pay for that treatment beforehand. Maternity care comes under immediately necessary treatment. However, what can be labelled as immediately necessary or urgent can be discussed, is subject to debate. Exceptions to surcharges for NHS treatment. An overseas visitor may not be charged in certain cases when they have been subjected to specific types of threatening situations, due to the fact that they are already in a very vulnerable state. The types of violence for exceptions are as follows: torture, female genital mutilation, domestic violence, sexual violence, treatment for infectious diseases specified in the regulations, treatment of sexually transmitted infections, family planning services. Treatment for coronavirus is also exempted. It is noteworthy that applying for British citizenship, as soon as someone qualifies, is very important. Things become easier, and you don't have to face immigration status issues with British citizenship. It is also imperative to note, if you have an NHS debt of £500 or more, this may become a reason for a visa refusal on general grounds, as the Home Office does check when assessing the applications and refuses them if an applicant has NHS debt. We have reached the end of today's video update. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.